What's up, guys? It's your boy Danny, back with another video. Today, I have the Series 7 Apple Watch. Yes, I haven't owned an Apple Watch since Series 4, and I sold that one like over a year ago. So yes, it is time to upgrade. Well, in this case, purchase. As you all know, I've been focusing on my health all of 2021, and that's going to be a lifetime thing. Therefore, I figured, you know what, let's get back into having an Apple Watch. So here we go. Look at that packaging. That is so nice. I love the way that unfolded. Very, very nice indeed. So, Series 7, it's just GPS. I didn't go with cellular this time. It turns out, I don't like giving money to AT&T. But seriously, I never used the cellular portion of my other Apple Watch devices over the years. I was kind of paying for something I didn't use, and that's a waste. And 2022 for me is the year of saving, I guess. I don't have the theme. I don't do the theme thing, but I'm gonna focus on saving more and cutting corners in a good way, not in a bad way. And I love how I say I'm focusing on saving as I get a new toy. But still, this is focused on my health. But in 2022, I obviously want to focus on not only my health, but saving money as well, because I do spend a lot of money, as you guys very much know, because you're a subscriber of this channel. That being said, let's open the watch. So, Apple is doing their no cellophane wrapping, so everything's a pull tab. And this box is very much airtight. I mean, really airtight. This is the 45mm watch, so it's the bigger screen, and it's blue. Look at it, it's so nice. Look at that. That's so nice. So you get a little woven fabric to cover the watch during transport, I guess. Just gonna gently push it out. It's in there pretty tight. There we go. There we go. Oh, almost flung it across the room. And they're too tight. There we go. Okay. And I accidentally turned it on, but not a big deal. So there's that. While that's doing that, this is the Sport Band, which is also blue, that it comes with. And shout out to Chelsea. I accidentally got the exact same model and color that she has. That was totally not intentional. As you guys know, I like to flirt with her a lot, and so I literally laughed when I realized after she told me that she had the exact same color and model. I was like, of course. Just make me look like I'm attached, you know? But yeah, so we're gonna go with the medium large band because I'm a guy. We have larger wrists, you know, whamming usually. So do that and do that. It's very nice. It's nice to have a blue watch. It's my first time having a blue one. So very nice indeed. This goes. That snaps right in. Ah, yes, very nice. It looks so nice to have a watch again. Seriously, I haven't had an Apple Watch in a couple of years, so it's very nice. Bring iPhone near watch, okay? Look at that. Set up Apple Watch to continue. Good evening. Set up for myself. All right, we're gonna do the whole position on the frame. Apple Watch is paired just like that. I love that. We're gonna set up this new Apple Watch. It's gonna go on my left wrist. All right, connecting your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. So cool. Man, it's good to be back. It really is. Look at this thing. It's so beautiful. As long as my camera can focus. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I absolutely love the blue. I do. It's so nice. So, and I think my homie David, I think he has red. So that's cool. We got different colors. That's very nice. I'm gonna agree to terms and conditions on my phone. All right, it's currently signing into my account. I tell you, I mean, I know they made the screen bigger, but you can definitely tell it's a bigger screen. So very, very nice. Love that Apple. I love that so much. So pretty cool. While this is setting up, I'll set it off to the side. Here's the spare band for the smaller wrist. Do we get anything else? Oh yeah, we get a cable, obviously. And then Apple Watch. Little papers. Shows you how to connect the bands if you don't already know how, but I do, so not a big deal. No Apple stickers, not a big deal. I don't care, honestly. And yeah, looks like a USB-C cable. Very interesting. How do I get it out of the thingy? Oh, just pull up. Okay, sweet. And then this just pulls out. Yeah. So yeah, this end is now USB-C. It used to be Lightning, so very nice. Cool. Very nice indeed. So I'll be looking at stands later tonight. Okay, I'll do shared settings. And I'm looking forward to this tracking my health and my steps and all kinds of stuff. So, bold text and size. I think we'll leave it the smallest, but I just want to see. Oh yeah, you can get pretty big with it. Yeah, it's gonna be always small though. Okay, I'm gonna create a passcode real quick. It's extremely responsive. Ooh, you can just tell the screen is nice. Blood oxygen. Yes, that's right. It's one of the new features. Definitely want that. I use blood oxygen all the time. Well, blood oxygen data. We all use blood oxygen because we're alive. I'm saying I use the blood oxygen data. It's very nice to have if you're serious about your health. So keep my Apple Watch up to date. Absolutely. They make it such a seamless experience. Definitely want Apple Pay, so let me. Always on display, very nice. Install all apps. Good view or list view? I do like that there's an option. I think we'll go with list view. You ever have that? Alright, Apple Watch is syncing. Sweet. Get to know your watch. Oh, yeah, I'm good. I'm good on all that. Okay, cool. I'm gonna let it do its thing, but yeah, there you go. That's the unboxing. I may show another clip once it's done. But yeah, there you go. You got the gist. So if not, thank you all so much for watching. I do appreciate it. I'll see you all in the next video. I'm very excited to get started. And I'll obviously do update videos on how I'm liking the watch and stuff like that. So stay tuned for all of that stuff. All right. So I've had this Apple Watch for 2 days now. And I'm enjoying it. I really am. The band, first time ever, the band is making my skin break out. So I took it off, and yes, right now I'm down at the plaza in Kansas City, Missouri. It's called the Country Club Plaza, and every year they deck it out with lights for Christmas, which you guys kind of saw in my Christmas lights video, if you watched that. But yeah, this is the band that was on my Apple Watch. It makes my skin break out, which is a first. I know Fitbit bands back in the, a couple years ago, would make people's skin break out. They actually had a recall on it. But yeah, my skin has been itchy with the new Series 7 Sport Band. Whatever. I never keep the default bands very long anyway. In fact, I have a huge collection of bands. I would say total, and most of them, except for a few, are all Apple branded. Probably 30 bands, 30 Apple, or 30 different brands, 30 different bands with 20 of them at least being Apple branded, and that's $50 a pop. So you know that's over time. But I've had the Apple Watch since 2015, so I think I was pulling out. Scared the crap out of me. Anyway, it's really busy down here. So went to the Apple store. I didn't make an unboxing video, but I did get the Nike edition Apple Watch band, and man, it's so much better already. I can, first of all, my wrist can breathe better, and I love that I can like have it at any size. Like there's no need for holes or any of that because it's Velcro. And so Apple and Nike, as they always do, they always band together, no pun intended, to make an Apple edition Nike watch. Or sorry, an Apple Watch Nike edition. A Nike edition Apple Watch is what I'm trying to say. I can't talk because I'm trying to drive. I didn't get one of those like I normally do. Like the last 3 Apple Watch devices I've bought have all been Nike edition Apple Watches, but this time I just got the regular blue Apple Watch, and I love that it matches for the most part my blue iPhone. So it's very nice. That guy's jaywalking; he can get hit doing that. So I don't have I don't have a Nike edition Apple Watch. Not a big deal. Really, the main difference between a regular Apple Watch and Nike edition is you get a few exclusive watch faces. Big whoop. So I do have it is nice to at least have a Nike band on my Apple Watch that is made by Apple and Nike. So very nice. Little compromise there, no big deal. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this Apple Watch video, because I enjoyed making it and I'm enjoying this new Apple Watch. Seriously, it's helping me help myself with my health, if that makes sense. So many Porsches down here. For those of you who don't know, there's a Corvette. The Country Club Plaza area in Kansas City, bougie. Money's down here, lots of money. It is extremely bougie. There's a Porsche SUV going right there. See it? You saw it for like 0.1 second. So they got Teslas down here, Porsches, Porsche SUVs, all kinds of beautiful cars, Corvettes. Oh, there's the Benz E-Class, it looked like. So I'm telling you, there's just cheddar down here, lots of cheddar. Anyway, that being said, thank you for watching my video on the Apple Watch. I do appreciate that. Yeah, I appreciate the fact that I got the Nike band. I'm very happy about that. So that being said, the people in the car next to me are staring at me. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. I was gonna end it anyway. I don't care if they're there or not, but they're watching me talk to a phone. I guess to them I could be on FaceTime. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Thank you all so much for watching. I do appreciate it. See you all in the next video. More to come, obviously. I have a lot of editing to do. I'm off for the next 3 days because it is Friday. No, it is Thursday, December 23rd, 2021. And I'm off tomorrow and the weekend, obviously. So take care, everybody. See you next video.